Hello guys, my name is Kishore. Guys, today we are going to discuss something about education. So guys, first of all, I'm going to him that after that he will speak something about education. What's your name?
My name is Saurabh.
Saurabh, speak something about education.
Okay, so as we know, friend, in this era, education is very necessary for everyone because we can see there is so many uneducated people who doesn't have manners and who doesn't know how to talk with someone, and they talk very rudely. And if we are educated, so we we can conversation with anyone very easily, and we learn so many manners. And if we are uneducated, so we can't make our life successful and very peaceful, because we can see who are uneducated, he doesn't have job, and he lives very angry. And outside we can see there is so many children who are fond of studying, but some of reason they are don't able to go school. So I think and according to me, our government should provide them study. And thank you.
Okay. So right now you have spoken about education. Saurabh, right now are you feeling nervous or not?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit
Okay, you are feeling nervous. So why are you feeling nervous?
because it's my first time.
Okay, it's your first time. So, do you practice or not? Do you speak English in front of mirror or not?
Yeah, I speak English sometime.
Okay, how often do you speak English in a day?
I speak half an hour.
What's your name?
I'm Rakshit.
Rakshit, speak something about education.
Education plays very important role in our life. If there is no education, so we can't get any manners. So if we are going to school, so in that school, in any school, we are going to get an education, and there is so many education skills in which we get, and there are so many subject in which we get education. Like there's so many subject like maths, English, science, and we know about the education about that things. Like in science we know about the chemistry, biologies, and the other things. And if we are going to job, and if we are going to any interview, so we should be an educated person, because if we are uneducated, so then no one will hire us. Because and there are so many people who don't have money to pay the school fees, and our government has also taken a step to the poor people who don't have money to pay the fees. It's a EWS in which they can go to school very easily. And thanks.
So, guys, now you have seen that they have spoken about education. So you spoke well. There is no problem. If you have friends, they know how. If they know how to speak English, so you can talk to them. Okay. So thank you very much. You spoke, and so guys, right now you have seen that they have spoken about education. So guys, thank you very much, and you watched this video. So thank you very much.